An irate West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee walked out of the Niti Aayog meeting that was chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday, claiming that her mic was muted and she was not allowed to speak beyond 5 minutes. Banerjee, who was the only Chief Minister from an opposition-ruled state to attend the meeting in Delhi, claimed her mic was muted when she brought up the issue of West Bengal being denied central funds. Banerjee alleged that her mic was muted in the meeting while she was talking about central funds not being given to West Bengal. Calling the move an insult to Bengal and all regional parties, Banerjee alleged bias towards NDA allies. The aggrieved Chief Minister thundered why they stopped her and discriminates, stating that she represents the opposition side and attend the meeting on the greater interest that cooperative federalism should be strengthened. However, government sources disputed her claim, saying her speaking time was over and her turn would have come after lunch. As per sources, Mamta Banerjee was accommodated as the 7th speaker on an official request of the West Bengal government, as she had to return early. She also reiterated her demand to scrap the Niti Aayog and restore the Planning Commission. Banerjee claimed that Niti Aayog has no financial powers, demanding to retrieve the financial powers or bring back the Planning Commission. Apart from opposition chief ministers, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar also skipped the Niti Aayog meeting in New Delhi. The state was represented by Deputy Chief Ministers Samra Chaudhary and Vijay Kumar Sinha. The opposition states boycotted the meeting as a mark of protest against what they call a discriminatory union budget. The opposition has alleged that the budget favored the Bihar and Andhra Pradesh states ruled by NDA allies JDU and TDP.